I would say it's better than the most of the ice cream.
No?
Yeah.
Come on. I'm feeling like I'm eating Magnum. It's really good, man.
Yeah.
The ice cream one.
It's banana, but I feel like kiwi.
Did you say mango?
No, Magnum.
I thought he said. I was like,
Okay.
I'm not that weird.
Katanya campur buahnya ya. Jadi seperti teman-teman lihat tuh terlihat cantik ya. 2 stroberi terus ada 3 potongan pisang. Tapi Mbak Mawar ikut dimarahi sama ibu karena hasilnya ternyata agak aneh teman-teman. Ya, yang pasti ini kita freezer dulu ya. Berapa 3 jam. Nah ini kalau itu Mbak Mawar nonton Pak Bos aja gimana bikinnya, kata Pak Bos kok ikuain gak iso. Yang pasti katanya nggak boleh langsung masukkan di panci karena langsung rusak coklatnya. Nah ini jadi si Pak Bos pakai wadah, airnya itu air mendidih ya yang di bawah, jadi biar uap-uapnya bikin panas. Nah jadi kalau aku Mbak Mawar ngeliat ngasih itu pada kayak itu ya minyak, nah aku sih aku Pak Bos ora. Nah itu di kayak sprinkle api ya, pink 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 kayak ngono siput tubuhnya warna pink ya. Kayak coklat kayak deh Mbak Mawar masih bahasa Inggris ya, coklat terus kayak sprinkle terus pimpunnya nek kulkas selesai.
So we're record?
oh my god!
How did you do that?
Hi!
Welcome back to Midnight Channels, and today we're gonna try the dessert, and it's actually viral right now in Indonesia.
Oh really?
Yes, it's back to the elementary school, or when you go to the school, we call this ice is a kulkul, as kulkul.
Kulkul?
Yeah, kulkul. Yeah, so it's
very
basic.
cool.
Yeah, it's kind of like a fondue, and then when you choose like fruits, and then you dip it in the chocolate, and then you put it in the freezer, and then you can choose whatever kind of fruits you like, and that's why I thought like, oh, that's perfect for the weather, and then we just don't want to eat anything heavy, so just let's have a grab. Go ahead, guys.
Wow. Yeah, you go for the biggest one.
Yes.
Go for the largest.
I think this is good size. What's that?
Stop.
I'm gonna eat like that.
That's why you love it like.
I'm gonna eat like that or?
Yeah.
Okay.
You
Oh, you can eat it however you want.
Alex is just like evaluating. He's gotta take the bite.
It looks like kebab. Where's my bread?
Okay.
Yeah, so enjoy, guys.
Enjoy.
Who's gonna first bite?
What the?
How
am I supposed to wait?
Oh.
Yeah, I wanted to put like a dark chocolate, but I cannot eat dark chocolate, that's why I put the milk chocolate.
I was gonna ask you, like, what are you doing eating chocolate?
This one I can eat. It's not the dark one.
Very good.
Do you have allergies against chocolate or something?
The dark one, yes.
Oh, really?
Yeah, nerve problem.
Oh.
If I eat the
Wow.
dark chocolate, I get dizzy.
Whoa.
Yeah.
It's nice with the chocolate outside. It's like almost like this like Magnum ice cream when you have like the chocolate outside. There's the ice cream.
All right. Very good.
But this one is an actual fruit.
So where's baklava? Where's mine? Where's the real one?
Kulkul. What
The
is it?
very first bite.
I don't know. I think
It's
they just
Kulkul.
call it Kulkul. Maybe it's cool. Double it. It's more cool, so it's Kulkul.
In Turkey, you don't use chocolate on the baklava, right?
Yeah, they start using it, but in the real one,
Because of the-
it's getting famous. You
Yeah.
know, whatever you put, it's getting famous. Like if you put chocolate,
Because
yeah,
of the popular fashion.
yeah.
Ah.
Popular
But the real
culture.
one,
Yeah, like the real one is made from the.
sugar.
Sugar.
Lots of
Or like
sugar.
honey as well, right?
No, no honey.
No?
No.
They just basically melt the sugar, make it like a
Yeah.
liquid.
That's like caramelized, right?
Yeah, and then they pour it into a.
For every layer, this tiny, but you are putting the liquid sugar
Yeah.
on top of this, and you are boiling it,
Oh.
and it becomes baklava. But now they're also changing it. It's like now cold baklava, which means you are putting it to the freezer. It's not like the oldest one. It's,
A bit different.
yeah, it's different. If we are in the summer, it's really good, like cold one.
Yeah.
But I don't like the oldest one. The good, the new one is good.
So you like the new
Yeah,
one,
the
not
cold
old
one, yeah.
Yeah.
So it's not bread, it's just sugar.
No.
It's like a very
Thin
tiny
layer.
piece of.
Not bread, but I don't
it's
know
like,
that
it's flour, right?
Yeah. It's not in my dictionary, sorry.
Yeah,
Open your dictionary.
Yeah, I can
It's a very elevated dish. I don't want to say touched by. What do you say?
Marvelous.
Touched by God or something? Or touched by God, angel? No, something.
Too much watching MasterChef videos.
So we should do that. So there's homework for everyone.
So what do you think about the ice creams in Taksim?
Oh, yeah, they are famous. Yeah, they are really famous. Yeah. There are some joke like giving but not giving. Like it's really attractive for the tourists, not for us. I know how to get the.
Oh,
I know what he's
hate
gonna do.
it. I hate that one.
Oh, yeah.
So many poor kids though crying.
Yeah.
Because they want
The
their-
whole Taksim, they're all crying.
And then they also trick him, and suddenly they have the whole
Yeah.
thing, and I was like,
Yeah,
Oh,
because
yeah, some kids are.
you're just gonna hold the stick. It's the easiest one.
Yeah, just hold it exactly.
Yeah. Good technique.
Yeah, that's smart. Yeah.
It's like eating kebab.
True.
You're right.
I like the one with strawberry, eh? Because it's like sour. There's the sweetness, and it's half healthy because you have the fresh fruits and you just freeze it. Half healthy.
I think it's easy to make it, right?
Definitely easy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are the like the little points?
Oh, it's like a sprinkle. Yeah, it's not eatable though.
So why we are eating?
It's decoration.
It's usually what you put in the plants to grow stronger. Fertilizer, something like that.
Some nitrogen.
I would say it's better than most of the ice creams.
No?
Yeah.
Come on.
It's not that sweet. I mean, like, because the only sweetness is
Yeah,
the
you're right.
layer of chocolate.
Yeah.
So it's basically like you're eating fruit chocolate.
But it's hard to it's hard to eat this. It's really hard.
Bite it. Therefore we have dentists, okay? So don't worry. Yeah, I like it too because sometimes like the ice cream, they are so sweet, and you feel guilty
Yeah.
after you eat it.
After a couple of bites, I don't even want to finish it.
Uh-huh.
I don't eat that much sweet, so it's making me like a too much food. You know, food sugar.
Yeah. That's true.
But this is a really better alternative than just eating an ice cream.
Oh.
I'm feeling like I'm eating Magnum. It's really good.
Yeah.
The ice cream one.
It's banana, but I feel like
Did you say mango?
No, Magnum.
that's what he said.
I was like, okay, well.
Yeah, I was like, what?
Okay.
I'm not that weird.
I would say better than Magnum. Yeah. This is like way better. Nowadays everything is super sugary and it's like best.
Yeah. And I don't know if you guys like dark chocolates. That's the other thing. I feel like milk chocolate is kind of like safe
Safe,
choice.
yeah. Everyone
it's
likes
safe.
it. Yeah.
Because like if it's dark and you don't like dark like me, then I will not gonna eat it.
In my town we do a lot of like chocolate with banana.
Like
Like
this?
outside of the
Bananas?
schools. Yeah.
And
Outside the
they
school-
taste like banana or mango?
Or Magnum. Sorry guys.
It's pretty common. Like outside of the schools, you go out and like there are people like
Yeah, it's hot.
sell that kind of stuff for like, to the kids. And I would say that that's healthier, like candies or any of that.
Yeah.
We have the same, but it's not cold. We are just
The fruits.
yeah.
Directly.
Yeah. There.
Yeah.
Very best
It's the best,
alternative
yeah.
if you want something ice cream and you just want something cold. Just freeze the fruits and you have it. Right?
Yeah,
Just
healthy
being
snack.
lazy. Yeah, healthy snack.
Yeah, what I do sometimes I just like dip the dark chocolate the dates in dark chocolate.
Go dates.
Dip the dark chocolate in the
Dates?
Dates, yeah.
They're too sweet for me.
No, well, if you buy the ones that come with sugar, yeah.
Well,
There are
you put-
different types of dates actually.
Yeah, but if you put them
There's
like,
some
for
that are not
example,
as
in dark chocolate, which is kind of bitter.
Yeah.
And it's common in Ramadan.
Yeah.
For after
It
fasting.
is,
Yeah,
yeah.
you are
You eat
just
dates?
Yeah.
Happy.
It's because of our prophet.
The dates.
Dates,
Yeah.
yeah.
Because he started eating, opening his fasting with dates. That's why
And
everybody
actually, it's
did it.
not that bad because dates have like glucose that is good for your for your brain, and it has like
Some of them just
some
eating
levels
dates.
of fiber and protein.
No,
Yeah, this is pretty healthy, yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, in Indonesia it's like that. So when you break your fasting, it's
Yeah.
like you get like one of the days,
Yeah.
maybe two, and then you eat that first.
Then
and
you are
then,
eating the remaining. Yeah.
and then you go through the you go praying first, and
Yeah.
then you're back home and you eat your
Exactly.
meal.
But
Okay.
you're not Muslim 100%, are you?
No, yes.
What do you mean? I'm Muslim. Mom.
I gotta go.
How did you ask that?
The praying, right?
I'm praying too.
He's praying.
Right.
You saw Jakub, that's why you're telling me. I know.
It's just that it's supervisor now, and sometimes
Jacob is like super strict.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I think just the level of, but the still practicing, so we're just still religious.
Yeah.
You still pray 5 times?
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm also praying, but he's not missing. You know?
Wow.
Yeah.
He's not
Like
missing.
while I'm working, I'm trying to pray.
Yeah,
but,
yeah.
Like sometimes I don't have time.
Yeah, sometimes I heard you can put it together.
Yeah.
Yeah,
the end
and
of
then
the
you
day,
just
yeah.
the rakat is a bit more, so
Like-
then you get to all the praying. Yeah.
After all of them, you can pray all times.
Oh, you can do that
Yeah.
too, but it's gonna be a long
But
prayer.
it's not the good way.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
It's like Jakub is the best.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sergey is
If
the
it's scale,
I only
And then
made him
go.
know.
go. Shame.
shame on you.
He has like a time.
Oh yeah, you have in your phone. Actually, it's
Yeah,
gonna
we have the
azan.
time.
It's gonna be like praying time, like Allahu Akbar Allah, like that, and then
Yeah.
you know that's a praying time.
Are you having your phone?
No, because I'm not Muslim.
No, are you having your phone?
But normally they.
No,
have.
I'm just checking the Google.
Oh.
Okay, and then I'm praying that.
Oh, like, I don't even remember what I ate.
It's not a big one.
Yeah, the mango was really good.
And look at that, it even fits with your outfit.
Ain't a better girl. It's fantastic. No, it was really good. Fruits, healthy. They were not sweet, which is very good. And it just goes the combination with the chocolate that it was sweet enough. It was beautiful. Excelsis. Beautiful. and with this weather, which is very warm right now, they were frozen. So good. I really enjoyed it. 10 out of 10. Thank you.
It's a really nice alternative to eating ice cream. I think this is very like softer and fresh, healthy, yeah, definitely. So I think I'm gonna try to do that at home. I hope it's gonna.
No, he's not.
No, I will. Yeah, I'm good at kitchen, so like let's see how it's gonna work. But I really like it. I think I'm gonna go like a solid 10.
Wow, thank you. And yeah, and then you can try with the dark chocolate. If you like dark chocolate, then it's more healthier because there's no sugar in there.
But I think it's a little bit sugar would be nice.
Oh, okay. So then it's good with the milk
Yeah,
chocolate
yeah,
actually. Okay.
So normally I wouldn't eat the dessert because I don't like to eat too much sugar. But this one was like relatively healthy because it had like chocolate and fruits. So refreshing for the summer, frozen fruits with some chocolate. So it was good. So I would give it a 8.5.
8.5.
It's good. It was good.
Mango time. Actually, I prefer In Turkey we have better options, but to be honest, it's a good one to eat in summer. But it's easy to make. But I prefer the Turkish desserts because they are more delicious. Sorry, so I have to say that. I wanna give 10 points, but I'm gonna tell like maybe 8 is enough for them. And thank you for that.
The Turkish sweets are sweeter.
Oh yeah, they're more sweeter than.
He's a sugar guy.
Yeah, I'm not a sugar guy. I don't want to say that.
2 months ago, he's like, you're fired.
Let's go.
Reacting to me like. Okay, so I'm quite surprised my fellow audience here from Mexico didn't mention about. We have a similar dessert called some banana, which in this case is basically done with the whole banana. But in this case, I would say that the strawberry adds like a really good variety to the dessert, and also the sprinkles in this situation. Seasonal, or seasonally speaking, as they say, yeah, it's super cool to have like this kind of a dessert. I would say demi-organic, and also the crust is thicker than the Magnum's ice creams, so that also is a really good touch if you like to have the crustiness. And that's it. It's really good. I would give myself a 9 out of 10.
For yourself?
No, sorry. For the dessert.
I do the dessert. For you, 9 out of 10.
Well, we are made of what we eat. So. Yeah, 9 out of 10.
Nice, okay, thank you. Yeah, I'm gonna do a quick one. So very good, refreshing dessert. Es Kulkul. Saya suka es Kulkul. Approved. Very good, very fresh dessert. I like the fruits. For me, it reminded me a lot of like the Magnum ice cream. So it's like outside you have the chocolate, and then it's like something good inside. So very good for me. It's 9 out of 10.
Thank you. Thank you so much guys for watching, and then as you see we just tried the viral as Kulkul. You guys think is this the ice cream worth the hype? So if you like it you do the thumbs up, if you don't like it you give the thumbs down. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's approved! Awesome! So thank you guys for watching, see you on the next video, and don't forget to subscribe,
Like, comment, smash the like button.
Dun 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 dun.
Okay, see ya! Bye!
Bye.
Just one comment, and it looks like a dumbbell.
A dumbbell?
Oh, this
Like
one.
a
Good.
dumbbell.
Oh yeah,
Wait, oh.
it's
Like a
better.
dumbbell,
Yeah. Of course.
I take everything.
Yeah.